Well, welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. There's a hot air balloon right up here. Well, welcome back. I'm Ernest. It's Saturday morning before we get started working today. We've got the new project that got dropped off last night. You'll see that in a video that comes out right after this one. And we're going to review this Hulkman jump starter today. It's Hulkman, what was it? 8.5, because it'll jump up to an 8.5 liter gasoline engine. And this is a product review, so I'm going to be looking at this product, and when I get a product, I like to give it away to somebody. Occasionally, since the channel members do so much to support the channel, one of the giveaways is just for the channel members, and that's what this one is. So I'll review the product. Stick around because this is the most impressive jump box that I've used, and this has become my go-to jump box. And they're actually doing a GoFundMe, or not a GoFundMe, like a Jumpstarter Kickstarter campaign right now to launch this product. And you can get one for really cheap, and the value is better than any other jump box that I've seen for the price that they're selling it for right now. So we'll go over that in just a second. Let me tell you about the jump box. We'll see it work. And again, this is my favorite product jump box that I've used to date. So this will jump up to a 6 liter diesel, 8.5 liter gasoline engine. I've been using this 𝘠𝐤𝐸𝐳𝐵oost boost. Let me grab it. Well, wherever I take it inside. All right, so I can't find it. It might be inside. I was using them both yesterday, but I've been typically using that 𝘠𝐤𝐸𝐳𝐵oost boost. And if you watch Project Farm, he just did a video about it. That one was pretty impressive. It wasn't the best for him, considering, you know, price point and how well it worked and everything. But he said it was I think his third most impressive. I think just for the time it could, you know, crank. Everything else would crank for 3 or 5 seconds, and that would just go for 20-40 seconds on an engine. And I've had better success with this one than that 𝘠𝐤𝐸𝐳𝐵oost boost. That's the bigger one, the 70 or the 80. That'll also jump 6 liter, 6.5 liter gasoline, 8.5 liter gasoline, and 6 liter diesel. And I like this one better, and the price point's way better as well. The pro/con is that the cables are disconnectable here. It's a pro because if you're using this as a portable power bank, you don't have to have the cables, which I've done with my other one. A con, you could lose them, but I think the pro outweighs the con on that one. Let's see, super nice LED LCD display. If you can see that, the refresh rate from the camera might be syncing with that, but I can't really adjust the refresh rate. 78%. Let me tell you why this is impressive, because I had it hooked up to my diesel engine for like 20 minutes yesterday on some batteries that were weak, and it dropped 12%. So this could easily, my 𝘠𝐤𝐸𝐳𝐵oost boost will jump like 40 vehicles. This will easily match that, in my opinion. The other thing that I like even better on this is, let's go ahead here and turn on the lights. So it's got lights, super bright, brighter than the Noka ones. They flash, have a couple different strobes, but here's the cool thing. They also have red LEDs. So you could toss this out on the side of the road beside your car when you're working at night. And just the fact that they have red LEDs, that's super cool to me. So overall look, I like the feel of it, the weight. The interface is super easy to use and see. When you plug it in, it's ready to go. It tells you at the bottom it's ready down there. I'll show you when we jump off my truck. We'll disconnect the battery and see if this can start the truck by itself. And we'll go over the stats. It's got on the back, it's got a key that tells you what error codes are blinking, what they mean. This one has to cool down if you try and jump it like 3 times for more than 10 seconds, which is a good safety feature. I'll go through all the features here. They sent me a list of things to talk about with this, and again, super cool. The link will be in the top of the description for this product on their campaign, and it ends at the end of the month. So you've got a little over a week to pick yourself one up for Christmas. And again, I wish Project Farm had one of these, because I think this would have come in first place on his video. Again, so here's the thing. I've been testing this product for 2 weeks. I've had it for a couple weeks, and I've been testing it almost every day. And so this isn't just one of those products that I pulled out of the box and told you what I think about it. And that's why this one's so cool. This is one I decided to give to the members this time. And we've already given one away to them. So congratulations, Hector Nunez. He won this product, and he's already received it. So, okay, so here's a list of things they're focusing on for their campaign. Here's the product. Again, this is my favorite one that I've ever used. Better than that Noka one that I bought myself a couple years ago, which has done very well. This one does even better. So, yeah, this is the beta version. So this is the one that, you know, this is the version that you'll be getting when you order their, you know, jump starter campaign product. And super good. So let's see. So these points are important to them because they're launching their campaign and their product. They have a lot invested in it right now. So I'm going to give them the respect of reading off the list of things that they wanted me to talk about, because these are the things they felt were important to be known about their product coming into the market. So the Hulkman was created by product-driven entrepreneurs with the purpose of redefining the car accessories industry. 𝕬𝖆𝐓𝐴85S is their first innovative project, a jump starter. The Hulkman team is a group of seasoned professionals that worked at top-tier technology companies across business sectors, and they share a deep passion for the car industry. So that's cool. You know, they're guys that are pretty well versed in the industries of, you know, technology and design, and they like working on car stuff. So that's kind of how they came into the market. So on September 22nd, so this product's already launched. They launched the newest product. This is their first product on Kickstarter. The link will be in the top of my description. Let's see. So it'll jumpstart an 8.5 liter gas or 6 liter diesel engine. All 12 volt vehicles can be started with Hulkman. So anything that, you know, runs off of a 12 volt system, this will work for. They're claiming the smartest and the most powerful jump starter. 65 watt speed charging technologies. This is the cool thing about this one. I already forgot to mention, this thing charges in like 5 minutes with the speed charger, and that comes in the box. So most companies either won't send you a cord because they assume you have one from your phone charger or whatever. They send you one of those. They send you one of, you know, one of these adapters so you can plug in a cigarette lighter and use it like as a power bank if that's the kind of charger you have with you. But they also send you this rapid charger. This thing seriously charges in like 5 minutes. My other one, I have to leave them plugged in overnight, like several hours to charge up enough to jump a vehicle. And this one came charged as well. But I mean, the 5 minute charge time is incredible. You know, I don't know what else to say. Those other ones, they seriously take hours. If you have a strong one, they take 5-6 hours to completely charge up. And this thing will be done in 5 minutes, and they supply that rapid charger with it. So that is like the coolest thing to me. Okay, so it's IP65. It's got these covers on the plugs here. So when you have it all plugged up, it's waterproof, you know, dust and light and fall protected. So it's IP65 rating, whatever that means. Obviously, you don't want to go scuba diving with this thing, but, you know, if it gets rained on and stuff like that, it's going to be perfectly fine. So it's got a 3.3 inch ultra large screen. I can verify that. The screen's super easy to read and interact with. Yeah, so 40 centimeter long, extra long battery clamps. Those are good because they'll reach around big wide batteries. I like the length on those clamps. They're a little bit longer than those ones I have on that 𝘠𝐤𝐸. Yeah, so the design team is a Red Dot award-winning team. So, and that's an American award. So that's pretty cool. All right, here's some selling points for this thing. Just things that can do here. It's a Type-C PD 18 watt USB quick charge 3.0. iPhone 11 Pro, it'll charge an iPhone 11 Pro 4 times. AirPod 2, 31.6 times it'll charge AirPods. It'll charge an Apple Watch 4.43 times. An iPad Mini 2.4 times. A GoPro Hero 7 10.3 times. A DJI Maverick Air 2 3.6 times. So it's got a lot of battery capacity in here to charge up your accessories if you use it as a power bank. 200 lumen light capacity, emergency light functions. It had SOS, and that blinking red light's awesome. 150 watt DC power, smart output. So you can you could work like an air pump or something off of that outlet there that I showed you. It doesn't spark. It's got a 0 spark feature in it. Yeah, so 4th generation of their hyper-safe protection. So I guess it's their 4th development of their safety on this thing. So they've got it pretty well dialed in. 18 months of battery life. Pretty cool. So, yeah, I think I vouched for this thing enough. They're not paying me anything for this. This is just a really impressive product, and I just cannot get over the price point. So check it out in the description down below. I mean, you could buy 3 of these for what I paid for my 𝘠𝐤𝐸, and this thing's more powerful, comes with more accessories, charges super fast. I think the battery capacity is a bit more as well. So if you're using this as a power bank, this thing can really charge up your utilities, you know, your watches, your phones, and stuff like that. Again, not paid. They just sent me one of these and said, hey, if you like it, you know, make a video about it. And I've been more than impressed. This is the most impressive jump pack that I've used. And this has become my go-to. This is the one that I carry around with me when I go on jobs, in case, you know, I need to jump somebody off after I'm done working on their vehicle. So check them out. they appreciate it. I appreciate the support to the channel, and you know, video coming out just a little bit later today on the new project that we got dropped off last night. The window's a little bit foggy, so let me give you a sneak peek here if you can kind of see that over there. And that's a good little sneak peek since you can't actually see it through that window very well. But check it out. Probably just right after this video is released, that video will be coming out about the new project that we picked up. Support Hulkman out. Check out their Kickstarter. And again, I'm thoroughly impressed with this product. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next episode. All right, I almost forgot to show you it working here, so we'll do the trusty old Ranger test. I'm gonna get straight up to these leads, no battery connected, and I guess those are terminals. Let's see, we'll turn this on, and I'm gonna have to override this. It can sense voltage in the battery, so it'll start giving power automatically. Obviously, when there's a little bit of power in the battery. If there isn't power in the battery, then you've gotta turn it on yourself. So let me see here, these are connected, so you gotta hold both these buttons down and it'll say ready right here. Never mind, this has it's too cold. It has a little warning that said the battery is too cold, so I'm gonna take it inside and warm it up. And that's the thing with batteries anyways, you don't want to leave them out in the cold because that can damage the batteries. So just take it with you in your car when you go, leave it in your warm home. But we'll go warm this up, and then we'll come back and get this started. All right, so that didn't take long. I just had it inside for a couple minutes. The pack itself is still pretty cool to the touch. Probably like 5 minutes I had it inside. Anyways, but it says it's ready to go now. So if you hold both buttons down, ding, there it comes, ready. I think you've got like 10 seconds, so this is all one take just to show you that battery's not connected to anything. So if this starts, it's that pack all by itself. Boom. There you go. Probably do it one more time. Easy. Yeah, that thing just cranks super hard. So there it is, starting the truck. Again, one take, so we'll come back out here and look. Probably ought to put this truck back into gear though. Have it run back down the road. Anyways, there it is starting. It's at 71% now, so we'll turn that on and verify that that is correct. But it started this truck completely twice and used 6% of the battery, so that is cool. And they're not connected at all, so cool jump pack, man. This is the, again, best one I've seen. So thanks for watching. There it is, jumping off a vehicle. We'll see you on the next episode, and thanks for supporting the channel.